Hey guys, Gunwild here, and welcome to Rimfire Madness. Today, I'm going to be testing out the accuracy of various brands of bulk ammo. Stick around. I want to put a disclaimer out there before we even begin. This by no means is any kind of scientific testing, and I am not a skilled marksman. I'm just an average plinker, and this is just my results of putting some rounds down range. So let's get started. All rounds were shot through this Ruger 1022, and I had sighted it in using 40 grain round nose CCI mini mags. With that being said, the first ammo I tried out was the Remington Golden Bullets. The Golden Bullets are a 36 grain hollow point with 1280 feet per second at the muzzle. Now you see all the shots landed just to the right of the target. And to give you an idea of the size of this dot here, there's a nickel. You can see it's just a hair smaller than a nickel. I was actually kind of surprised that all shots were off to the right. Okay, the next ammo I tried out was this Arms Core Precision. This is a 36 grain hollow point high velocity round with 1260 feet per second at the muzzle. Now it wasn't too bad of a group. It was slightly to the right, kind of like the Remington, but mainly in the center here, I guess. And this round, I felt that one when I pulled that one. As soon as I squeezed the trigger, I knew that I had pulled that one to the right.
Yeah, well, that's all they have. See, there's no Gen 436 or all Gen 3.
Pulled on that one.
Right.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
And so it wasn't like
I went right.
anything else, and they had them at a pretty good price.
The next ammo I tried was the Winchester 555 pack, and this is a 36 grain hollow point that is 1280 feet per second at the muzzle. Now these rounds actually hit high, all up in here. And I know I was aiming right at that dot. Actually, on all these targets I was aiming right at the dot, and for some reason these shot high. Now the next brand I tried was the Cci Blazers. This round is a 40 grain round nose and is 1235 feet per second at the muzzle. Now this got an actual pretty good grouping there. I was very happy with the results on this ammo. The next brand of ammo I tried was the Federal Champion 525 bulk pack. Now this is a 36 grain hollow point high velocity round, and it is 1260 feet per second at the muzzle. Now this grouping wasn't too bad. Now I felt when I pulled that round right there, as soon as I squeezed the trigger, I knew immediately that that round would hit low and left.
The new 6. Is that the new 6 that came out? Have you seen it? Oh, the iPhone?
I think I pulled on that one a little
the bigger one
low and left.
The only thing I don't like
Now the last brand of ammo I tried out is this Cci Tactical 22. This ammo was actually specifically designed for the Smith & Wesson M&P 1522. Now this is a 40 grain round nose high velocity round that is 1200 feet per second at the muzzle. Now I was very, very impressed with the grouping from that ammo. This was my first time shooting that Tactical 22 ammo, and I was very, very surprised at the outcome of this grouping. So let's just see there, that group is about the size of a nickel. So very, very happy with that group. I believe I failed to mention that all of these targets were shot at 25 yards. And like I said at the beginning, this was by no means any kind of scientific testing. This was just my curiosity of how well these different brands of bulk ammo would perform. With that being said, I want to thank you all for your support, and thanks for watching, guys, and we will talk to you later. Goodbye.